Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to display images in a table in a Power BI report. First, you might be wondering, why do I even need to include images in my report? Well, I'm here to tell you why. Now, images help to improve the visual appearance of a report if it is done tastefully. So, with images, you can easily convey information. So, when might you include an image in your report? Number one, let's say you're trying to add a company or a brand logo to a report. Now, this image is usually like a static image where you get or you download online. Two, when you have a product data set that contains the product URL. And finally, when you have a country data set that contains the country's image URL. And this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to get a country data set with country's image URL. And from this, we're going to display this image in a table in our report. So how do we do this? How do we include images at row level? Step 1, we'll get our data set, or we'll create our data set containing a column with URLs of the images. Now I have a data set downloaded from Kaggle, which I'll link in the description below. So I'm just going to start a new report. Now that we're in a new report, the very first thing we'll do is to get data. So get data from our home tab. So from a CSV file, select that and just click on open. So wait for this to pop up in our navigator window, then Power Query. Okay, so I'm going to transform this data. So now we're in Power Query Editor. I'll just make slight changes. First off, I'm going to use first row as headers. Let's do that. Now that's done and that looks okay. I'll just close and apply. So now that data set is successfully loaded in, I'll just go to my table view over here. Then I'll select the column with the image URL. And if you can see here under column tools, data category, I'll come here and change this to image URL. Make sure you tick image URL. Now, once that's done, we'll move on to step 3. So let's go back to our report view. Let's select a table visual or a matrix visual, anything you want to visualize basically. So now that I've selected this, I'm going to add, let's add our country name to this. And then finally, let's add our URL to this. And that's it. You have this. Now, finally, what you can do to this is you can format the image as you like. Basically, just go to your visualizations pane and play around with it if you want it to be better. So for me, I would go to visualizations pane here and let's see. Let's just search image size. Let's modify that a bit. For me, I like to select height of 40 pixels and width of, I just keep the width. So let's just reduce the height to 40 and that's about it. That's okay for me. And basically, it's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's definitely helpful for me, and I'll see you in the next one.